Okay.
What anti-effects in the garden?
No, the animals are in the same number 2. Donkeys are in the same.
Yeah, okay.
You'd fit right in there, and cheers, thank you. Let's go to Clovelly. Wristbands, thank you.
Oh, we've got 5. One for you. Do you want to put yours chocolate on for you? Sure.
Let's go and see what Clovelly's like.
You don't put mine on. Told you it's cold. You didn't listen to it, did you? I'll whack that on then.
Yeah. Let's see if you can see your name on here, Otis. It's nice.
Pencils.
Little cafe there. Little cafe looks nice. Nice little bar there. That's cool. Oh, look at that ship. Oh. It's absolutely huge. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that. Well, you just dropped your pencil there, mate. This is just like the same view from my caravan, really.
What's that?
Is it? Is it not?
That's not some video.
Sorry? Just record, just do another video. Yeah? Let's go. Oh, Luca. That is Lucas.
I've seen a loose here somewhere. I've seen a loose. I swear, oh my god, I've seen a loose. See, that's my thing.
Is there any on the other side? Oh, there's one that says Alice on here.
Yeah, I wonder who's good on this.
Freddie. Some weird ones on there. Oh well.
Have you found it? Yeah. Did you find the boat? First, you need the toilet and thing. You've run out of money for boats.
Oh no, is that it?
That is. Wanna have a look?
How many years is the Diamond Jubilee?
Go and quickly read it. It's written on the side. Quick go. Have a look. You want to run around the down 3 times? 1943. Oh, 52 till
20112.
2012.
Yeah.
Twenty minutes later.
Is it 1952 until 2012? Three. Those are different sleds. Oh. Yeah. Let's just pull stuff all the way up on the cobbles. It must just be easier. Oh, there's that Mount Pleasant, isn't it? Like a viewing spot, is it? Yeah. Do you have a look when you come back up? We'll get a photo. And that's weird, isn't it? It's like a drinking fountain. I don't think I'll drink out of there though. The New Inn Hotel. I know, yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? Otis. It is brilliant. Even though the steps are quite uneven. But yeah, just got to watch that. I wouldn't like to come down it on a rainy day. But I suppose it'd be a bit slippy. You okay, dude? Oh, Otis has decided to spin round. I wonder what they use all these sleds. I guess it's just easier to glide across the cobbles.
I'll find where that picture was taken.
So that's from the other side, basically looking upwards, isn't it?
No, because it looks like it's going down. So I think it's there, look. You see, that side. It's got the railings going across it.
Yeah, so that actual sign would have been the other side. But yeah, it's just probably easier, isn't it, than carrying stuff, to just slide everything up and down. Yeah, you can stay here, can't you? Yeah. Big sled there. This is pretty cool. So be careful, please, dude.
I think we found the sign.
Come on, go inside and have a look.
Yeah. It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
There is so many problems today. I don't know what's going on.
Don't worry about this card down. You did a great job, card down. That would have
You can have a quick look if you
been.
want. I can't stand in it.
Yeah, I just got to take a photo.
It's like really. Get in. Yeah.
Just send the hoppers, she'll come out tomorrow.
Oh, is this it? Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, he's just in live fridge, does he? Okay, yeah. Milk chocolate. Oh. Swell chuck. Fridge.
Oh, that's mint chocolate swirl. Oh, that one's gone.
That was gone.
That was gone.
What was it?
It was honeycomb
I
explosion.
wanted that. I wanted honeycomb explosion.
I'm very sorry, sir.
Yeah.
They may have some stuff up in the visitor centre.
Okay then.
I
Thank
couldn't
you.
carry any
Well,
more
I
days
wanted
this
from
morning.
the other.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I've really let you down tonight. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
You haven't really need.
I'm here.
Is that just like a...
It smells like really funny, doesn't it? Yeah.
So where are my limits?
So what are your limits for smells? Okay, mate.
For like this certain thing.
Okay, no running though, just in case you knock someone over. You okay? Yeah, it's nice. I'm just trying to see where I'm going. Look at that sled. What will I do? Yeah. Keep in. I can't even stand up. I can't even stand up. duck. Yeah. Oh, in Mexico, they'll like literally follow you around.
Mind your head.
You know. Yeah. Mind your head. Hello, thermometer. Gosh. Yeah. Yeah, it's on that.
What's the steps though?
We've got a Westwood Home actual picture from last year and we still have not put it back up. Haven't framed it yet, no. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's on there for a while. Let's carry on down. Oh, scones. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that's a view. Aren't we? We're over there, aren't we? That side. Right, round the back side of that edge of the cliff. Yeah. Imagine living here. Just. Hello, yeah. What's water? You okay? It's like Sao Paulo, that is. All the sewage goes into the river in the middle, it stinks. What men? Wait there, dude. Let me have a look. Do you need the toilet, Otis? Just ladies? No. I'll go after. Just ladies? Yeah. You can't do that. Yeah, like Jurassic. Okay, yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? Hmm? hotel down here, look.
Yeah. I'm just trying to stand up. That's my goal.
Look at that, look. So there's old posts up beside it. You see?
Get around and then back up.
You see it? There's old posts at the side. Wow. Go on, keep going.
There's pros to this all. There's more pros than cons, I think. Con is that you hit your head on that.
Go to that side of it so people can walk past us. Yeah?
Sausage on the pasty. It is, isn't it? Every time you go to the beach, seaside, we have a sausage roll. Sausage roll.
It's pretty cool, this is. Can I go that side? Yeah?
To the top, I'll buy me. Can you have to buy these?
Where's that Land Rover seasonal? Okay. We're at the bottom. I'm just going to go to the top.
If you get another beer, then we can relax and we can decide where we're going to walk.
That's nice, yeah.
Oh, if you go down here, you get the crop up to the side rock.
Oh wow, yeah. That's like a huge cliff.
All these rocks get wet. That comes into there.
Oh yeah, you can see, yeah. Brilliant. I think it's time for a beer.
Yeah, should we have one more beer?
Well, I don't drink beer, so it's time for a vodka or a cider. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, where you all staying?
Westwood Ho, yeah.
Where's that? Where about that? Something there. So,
That's over there, that's interesting.
Oh, I thought so, yeah, the other side, yeah.
That over there is Saunton Sands. Yeah? And then Cloyd is in behind that end bit, and Wales is over there.
Ah, got you.
we were trying to work out where.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, for about 10 years.
It's like Northern Borough, towards the other end of Westwood. So there's like a nature reserve at the end of the beach, just and it's long. Just keep going. Yeah, you can go right way around.
Got you, yeah.
Sandbar, but there's loads of like nice students, there's a golf course. It's just a bit secluded. Yeah, it's very holiday. There's a bit of space, you know. And yeah, it's just like watching the tide coming in there is pretty spectacular. It's quite dangerous turning right there. It's a sandbar, and because this is the Bristol Channel, and it comes in and then comes in that estuary really quite far.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, yeah. It's quite windy. Not quite new or redone. Yeah. Those steps are quite lifeguard place.
Now here's the coastline.
How do you stop it now? How do you stop this? What was that?
So just like
What was that?
stone, yeah.
What was that, Al?
Shit, shot into my arm.
It's cool, this is. Got you now. Right. Where you going now? Say something, Otis. It's actually got you. Wherever you go, it got you. Come forward a bit, because it's... How's your holiday been?
Good.
Where have you been? Now walk over this way. Come to me. Say, follow you. That's good. Yeah. Come today to watch, where are we? Clovelly Island, as you can see. It's a bit dodgy walking. There's the thing. Ah! I'll get you now.
It's a nice little shop, isn't it? Got your own hiking stick there. Not that you're going to hike anywhere. Here's on my back. You'll walk back. Quiet in here now, isn't it? You can see why they get Land Rovers back. It's in that, it's like a little seat, isn't it? Yeah, on your stick. My grandpa used to have one of those and it folds out and stuff.
Next time I come here, I'm going to have a hiking stick, everything.
Fix your hand like.
I'm not having a bicycle stick.
Sorry?
I'm not having
Cheers, thank you. Yeah, it's very nice.
All those hiking sticks, and I'll go hammer some straight.
Go what?
Ow. That was my head. Now that was an absolute jaunt, that was. I think carrying him up there.
Don't you get what they have Land Rovers now?
Yeah. Definitely worth paying for a Range Rover,
There you go.
not carrying your son up Clovelly. Because apparently you hurt your foot. But you seem to be walking okay now.
Jesus Christ, you're not on top.
But yeah, suppose it's a good workout. What do you think of Clovelly, Otis?
Okay. I don't really like it because like the floors are like sharp.
Come over here, come over here.
Imagine being washed like stuff.
That's it. Yeah, it's a lot of cobbles. But yeah, it's a really nice day out. Go and have a glass of wine now.